Hi. Yeah. Wait, so these are my friendship bracelets. I have this one. Random one. Left 4 Dead. Rockstar one. And this one's my first one. Blood on the Dance Floor. I love them. This one's a necklace. This is Andy. Yeah. This one I actually found. Hello Kitty. This one I got Mexico. This is my name is Andy. Yeah. Red one. And then like I crocheted that. If you can see it. Crocheted it. Yeah. Then these are lanyards. All these have a wavy stitch. I have this twisty one. A twisted quad. This one, random wall stitch. That one. Yeah, it's these. Then pearl beads. I don't have a lot though. Rainbow. I have a lot more somewhere. And of course I've started lots of lanyards. Like lots. Like this one. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah. All these I wanted to show you. That's one right there. So yeah. Bye.